bottom one was loose. Took 0 effort to turn, so that's fun.
Time to delete some factory slop. We are gutting the front passenger suspension to prep for poly bushings. Blink and you'll miss the teardown.
This off. Hammer. Not a hammer. Success. Hang your caliper out of the way. A zip tie. Works really well. Take your caliper, put the zip tie through it, and then put the zip tie over whatever you're hanging the thing on the car. Reusable ones work really great for this because you can reuse it. So this, like, scripts are usually, grab this like so, and then, oh, look at that. No, I don't even need to grab them. Okay, a little bit. Yeah. All right, so car is too close to the ground right now to get this completely out. And that should be plenty of room. If I still lived in the north, doing this like this would be next to impossible. Like, I'm doing these with all just 3/8 inch. I have not needed help from a breaker bar. This car, I think, has lived pretty much its entire life in the South. And therefore, it is not all full of rust, which is an absolute blessing. There, those are loose. Are you gonna come off? But that's okay, because that's okay. That's why. I'm just gonna grab the impact. Is this proper? No. Ah. Okay, we need you to slow way the hell down. Okay.
20 minutes later.
All right, that's off. Wash it off. I think I'm having the opposite effect I want to right now. And I'm actually pushing the bolt back in.
One eternity later.
The good news is both bolts are out. The bad news is it's binding, and it's still held up there by something. Not really bad news, because all we're gonna do is get some of this stuff out of the way, and then hit it with a hammer. And then make sure you're not in my way. You're not. Bam! Sorry. All right. There's the front spring of a Fiero. This should be this. It's not very heavy. There it is. There is upper and lower A-arms for an 88 Pontiac Fiero out. So we're gonna work on getting these out and these out up here. And then we'll put the poly ones in. Hooray.